New building at the gym. Sawmill shed is complete. It's, well, man, the sawmill is gonna go right there. Yeah, probably out to there. And it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and I just got a little bit of shade here. I should have built it bigger. But this is the shed. It's done. Already got some junk in it. Oh, left my sunglasses in it. And there's a place for my coffee cup. So today we're moving the sawmills in here. This sawmill is not ready to be moved in here, the manual sawmill, but it's going in anyway. Just to see how it all fits in here. And then the edger's gonna sit right here. Till 10 o'clock, it'll be in the sun, I guess, huh? And the sawmill is gonna sit right here, and it'll be in the sun, half in the sun. But for all you people who want to work out at the gym and not get rained on or be mostly out of the sun, it's done. No sun, no rain, no snow. Still gonna have some wind. I still have to put up a wall over there. And I still have to, that may hang there for a while, I don't know. I have to get somebody to get that screwed in. Somebody wants to work out, come screw that lag bolt in for me. Double header along the front, double header halfway through the middle, double header on that side, and almost on this side. We only went to here just because we only have that small gap right there. It's not covered with the double header. This one's not double, this one's single. It's only 8 foot from there to there, so we didn't figure we needed a double one. These are 12 feet. This wall is going to go up just like this. Black locust along the bottom. And then I have some white oak slabs to go up here. And some black oak slabs to go up here. But that should keep me out of the sun for the most part. At least during the hot part of the day, I'll be out of the sun. Get some lights ran to it. Maybe a couple electrical outlets. So you can listen to the radio while you work out at the gym. We'll see if we can get a shot of the top of it. I don't know if I can or not, but it's all closed in with tin. It was about, with materials, lag bolts, the hurricane ties, and labor. I paid somebody to build it for me. With all that, it was, because there's no lumber cost. But with all the materials and the tin was, probably, the tin was $1,200 worth of tin, so, and the lag bolts and the screws were $700, and the hurricane ties and the metal plates were $700. So there's about $3,000 in the sawmill shed. Of course, it's a 2 sawmill shed. It'll hold 2 sawmills and an edger. 30, almost, well, the 10's 36, 16 and 16's 32, and 8 foot. Now it's more than that, but well, we got a 24 and an 8, so it's 30. So 32, 34 feet to the edge by 45, probably. 44, 45 feet by 32, 34. It's pretty big, but I think I'll run out of room quickly once I get the sawmills in. That's what we're going to do today. Clean up the scrap wood. There's the only scrap wood we had. We had one of the 2x10s busted at the knot, so we had that for scrap, and that was all the scraps we had for it so far. Got a couple 2x10s laying around that'll be good. Go back on the pile. I'll see if I can get a shot of the top of it. I have to go pretty far out. Oh, and I say the tin was $1,200, but that includes those 7 sheets there that I had left over. I just ordered extras. I put them on top of the lumber stack. Just wanted to have enough. So standing on top of the log pile, you can just see the top of the shed. That's how big it is. The sawmill will go right under there. It'll look pretty small in there. But that's what we're going to do, move the sawmill today. You can see how that has a little sag there. Comes down a little bit, but that's not sagging. That's built that way. That's how it was when we put it up. It was just how it turned out. We brought it down to meet on this pole. These right here are 8 foot off the ground. That board right there, and this front board is 8 foot off the ground. The case 400 just barely clears that board right there. The exhaust on it just barely clears that board at 8 foot. And that board there is 8 foot across at the bottom. Well, probably not counting that knot there. That should be plenty. It gets both my tractors in here, all 3 of my tractors in here, and it gets the sawmill in here. So that'll be all the height I need. I couldn't go any higher out here. That's already not enough drop. I'll probably have some snow weight issues. But I didn't want to drop this anymore, and I couldn't raise that anymore on the corn crib without going up on the roof, and I didn't want to do all that. So we'll just hope it holds the snow. Northern Illinois snow, it can be pretty deep at times, but I think it'll hold it. As long as we don't get, a few feet. A few feet of snow is going to really test it, but a good foot of snow will be all right.